Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about comments in Python. Comments are the statements that are added to a program with the purpose of making the code easier to understand. Compilers and interpreters generally ignore comments during the execution of the program. If we add comments to your Python program, Python will not show the text written in the comments in the output. Python comments. Two types of comments. Number one, single line comments. Number two, multi-line comments. Single line comments are created by beginning a line with the hash character and are automatically terminated at the end of the line. Multi-line comments. Sometimes your program may need to explain things in more details, which may exceed one line. Such comments are called multi-line comments. We can provide multi-line comments in a program by adding a delimiter at the beginning and the end of the comment. Now see the example, single and multi-line comments in Python. See the another example. Thank you.